Salahuddin Yusuf ibn Ayyub, known in the West as Saladin, was a great Muslim leader. His birth name was Yusuf, and he was given the honorary title of Salahuddin, which means virtue of faith. He was born in 1137 in Tikrit, Iraq, into a family whom most historians think of from Kurdish origin. At an early age, he was interested in Islam and studied Quran to gain knowledge about religion and other important issues discussed in the book about the world. As soon as he joined military, he was well trained by his uncle Asaduddin Shirko, who was a commander of the Zengid dynasty. Along with his uncle, Sultan Nuruddin, the Seljuk governor, had also been his mentor, who inspired him to unite Muslim Ummah and follow the path of holy war. Salahuddin was sent to Egypt with his uncle Shirko on the orders of Nuruddin. Due to his impressive and valiant efforts, he was given command of military campaigns into Egypt and then became the head of military forces in 1169. He was later made Wazir to the Khalifa of Cairo of the Fatimid dynasty. Salahuddin held key posts while he was in Egypt, giving him an advantage to cleverly execute tactics to overthrow the ruling dynasty. In 1171, he abolished the Fatimid dynasty and declared to follow Baghdad-based Abbasid Caliphate. After the death of Sultan Nuruddin in 1174, Salahuddin launched his conquest of Syria by defeating the Zengid army. He was later named the Sultan of Egypt and Syria. In July of 1187, when Muslim pilgrims were attacked by the Crusaders, Salahuddin led the decisive Battle of Hattin. Finally, in October 1187, he recaptured the Holy Land of Jerusalem from the Christians in the Third Crusade. After taking the holy city of Jerusalem, he followed the path of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, when he conquered the city of Mecca and showed mercy to all the citizens regardless of their religion. Likewise, Salahuddin also entered Jerusalem with humility, and unlike the Crusaders, he guarded the Christian churches and provided a free passage for the Christian residents to leave the city. At the height of his power, his empire included Egypt, Syria, Upper Mesopotamia, the Hijaz, Yemen, and other parts of North Africa. During his rule, he built many schools, hospitals, and institutions in view of upbringing an intellectual society. He was also determined for justice, peace, and prosperity to prevail in the society. Salahuddin Ayyubi is also known as the founder of Ayyubid dynasty and first to hold the title of custodian of the two holy mosques. Despite ruling the vast area of Egypt and Syria, Salahuddin Ayyubi had very little wealth for himself. When he died at the age of 56 in 1193, he left only a few pieces of gold and silver. Salahuddin Ayyubi is not only known in the Muslim world as a great leader, but the Western world as well. His generosity, bravery, and religiosity earned him all the respect among his opponents. Even the Western philosophers regard him with respect and place him in the company of great Christian warriors of the past.